Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to share a little bit about my Scentsy journey and what Scentsy can do for you and your life and your dreams and or your family. So I joined in 2012. I did not join wanting to run a business, wanting to do leadership. I didn't join to want to do any of those things. And I want to start off saying that because I think a lot of people that do follow me, you can kind of gravitate towards that's the way you have to work. And the reason I joined was honestly just to make a car payment. So that's why I joined. I wanted some extra cash. I was like 22 years old. I was super broke. And so I needed the cash. So that's why I joined. Here are some benefits of and perks of, I guess you could say, of joining those. So number one is to make your own commission back. So if you're already ordering Scentsy pretty frequently, aka every 3 months, or if you're in Scentsy Club already, you could be making back 20% commission on every single order. Another really cool perk is that you have the ability to get items before they're released to anybody else in Scentsy. So meaning before things are released for spring or for fall to the public, we get access to ordering those sooner, and we also get access to different bars of wax that release before the customers are able to get them. A lot of people also join for community. So our community is Anchored Scents, and there's a lot of different communities and teams across the board, but some people just want that friendship, those relationships. Also, some people need an outlet. So when I joined, I was a nurse at that time. And whenever I joined, I wanted to do something that was creative and fun. And honestly, I wanted to be able to debunk some of my stress from being in a really high stress environment with being a floor nurse. And so we have two different kit options. So the first one is the $99 kit, which I'll share above. Right now we do have this kit on special. So meaning that this kit is a transition month this month, but normally every month it looks like this. So you have two different $99 kits that are available, and they're packed with business supplies, testers, catalogs, order forms, everything you would need for your business, in addition to a free workstation which has trainings and tools, and you also would get a website. The other option is you can choose to earn a kit. So you can reach out to me simply by emailing me below or texting me if you have my number. I do have information in the description on this video, but this kit, the $59 kit, can actually be earned at a discount or free. So this is a great opportunity for somebody who wants to go ahead and test the waters, see if they can go ahead and earn this kit free or half off or discounted, and then they come out with nothing out of pocket or just a little bit. And so I absolutely know that there is a place for you in Scentsy. I would love to be your sponsor. I would love to help guide you and direct you and just really help you be successful in your own way. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Send me an email, send me a text message. I'm always very transparent and very open to answer any questions you have, especially about our commissions. And one last thing I will say about commissions is you do not have to sell a certain amount of product every single month to get paid. You only have to sell $200 in product 1 out of 12 months to stay an active consultant. So again, this is great for the obsessed Scentsy lover. You love a lot of products, you buy a lot of products, you want to make that commission back. This also is great for somebody that does want to make extra income, that does want to have another layer of revenue coming in aside from your job. So I love to answer questions. I'm an open book. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys again soon.